Alright, so I've designed and printed out some replacement privacy cover clips for my 240SX. I'll provide the link to the STL in the description. But now I'm going to try them out. I know these hinge pieces here actually fit a little bit tight on the hinge rod here, so I'm going to go ahead and just slide them on before clipping it in place. They fit, but they are tight. I didn't have a whole one of these to go from. Both of mine broke off, so I just kind of eyeballed it. I had one of these, but the clip part here was broken, so we'll see how these do. Alright. Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, I'm gonna have to take a wrench and take that off. Give me a moment. Alright, got that out. They fit pretty good. Alright. Some kind of adjustments I need to make. That one fits in pretty good. I don't think it's locked in place though, so I might have to make the clips on those a little bit longer. Yep. My string broke. That's okay. I can remelt that together, and I think it'll be good. Yep. Alright. Alright. I really need to find some gray string that matches the original. This is what I had on hand. But yeah, I think that's gonna yeah, I'm gonna have to extend the clips on these. They aren't quite long enough to stay in there. So alright, well, I'll update the STL file before I publish it.